key figure is sort of condensed information about your project or plan, like construction cost, effect of the plan to regulatory value, or amount of network built. Basically, it could be almost anything. One thing that separates this from a spreadsheet, for example, is that you can really see how the key figure evolves through the planning process. So at first, when you have only an idea in your head, you might already put some estimate that this is going to cost you 1 million. And then when you go forward in your planning, you do rough sketches of the plan, you can calculate that and get a better estimate. And then when the time goes forward, you do the actual implementation plans and the detailed plan. What is going to be built exactly where, and once you calculate that, you get a more exact estimate of the costs and so forth. And you can see this evolution from the system. So it's completely transparent what has happened and who was responsible at each stage and so forth.
Right.
And it doesn't stop to the last calculations. You can then use the system for approvals. Like, okay, these are the costs that I approved, and then if the plan changes after that, you don't lose the values that you started from. And you can see that what has changed after approval. After that, you can compare it to the realized value. So the whole life cycle of the key figure is stored in the system. And that's really great when you compare it to some spreadsheet type of investment management where you only see the one value there and you are dependent on saving older versions of your plan somewhere. So it's really focusing your money and resources to the right projects.